GM, my people, what is good? What's popping? Okay, today I brought you guys a new one, HappyChain Airdrop. Yep, HappyChain. Now, at the moment, the airdrop is not really serious. Like, this is just the demo testnet site. They are not really up and running. But I mean, to get the best from it, we actually have to, rush it. We have to be early, right? The early bird eats the fattest bone. I don't think that's what they said, but that's the plan. Okay, so you can see that it is an Ethereum layer 2 rollup optimized for gaming and social apps, right? So it's powered by OP Stack, Celestia, and support from Caldera. These are big names, you understand? So the native token will literally be happy. I mean, who wouldn't figure it out from here? And it all functions as gas token, gameplay, voting, and everything, and all the stuff. So how to participate in the testnet airdrop? You access HappyChain testnet demo. You go to the website, which we'll do right away. Connect your social. You either use Google or your wallet. Request testnet tokens, transfer testnet tokens that you send, you receive, and every other thing. So let's do that ASAP. Now paste the link from the video description into your browser, and this should be what you're seeing. You can see this is not even looking like a serious project, but you never know, right? You never know what tomorrow holds. So this is where you choose, you click on this, then you choose whether you want to sign up with your Google account or your MetaMask account. That's totally your choice. But in this case, I'll be signing up using my Google account. Okay, so we do that. So you click on your email, select continue, wait a little more. And boom, you have signed up for the HappyChain testnet. Okay, so this is your account in the HappyChain testnet network. This is your personalized wallet address. As you can see, you don't have any Happy as of now. Okay, so what you are supposed to do first is to go get faucet tokens, because this is a testnet. You need faucet tokens to test the network. Okay, now beware, these aren't real tokens. It's not fungible. You can't exchange it for real cash. So just keep your emotions a bit low, keep your expectations kind of low. Okay, so verify a human being, and boom, token sent. As you can see, you were created with 0.010 happy, testnet happy. Always remember that. Okay, so when you're done claiming that, there's not much to do here at the moment. It's still in its demo form. As you can see, it's not looking like the end product yet. So you can definitely understand that. Now, one thing you're supposed to do is here you see contract interactions. These are interactions with the testnets that help check whether it's fit to do some other things during its mainnet times, right? So click on mint token. Now you have testnet tokens. You can use those testnet happy to mint token. I don't know where the token is going, but you're about to see. So you can see it's gonna cost 0.0001 happy. Wow. So you see your 0.01 is more than enough for all this kind of stuff. And after I click on that, boom, one token minted successfully. See, then another activity you can perform on the testnet is counter plus plus. This is the receiver address. I doubt you even know what's going on here, but this just helps test the network. Okay, so it's still loading, and boom, current counter value 1. So you've interacted with this particular interaction once. and the more you do this, the more your chances of getting this airdrop, right? So you can send to your friend. I mean, you're not using your regular, this is the wallet you're using to receive or send any happy tokens in this airdrop, sorry, in this testnet. Okay, so if you want to receive from someone, you're not copying the one from your MetaMask, you're copying this one. You understand? Don't make that mistake. It's easy to make. Okay, so you copy this one, send to your friend, or if your friend wants you to send, you tell the person to copy his happy address, not his normal EVM address. Okay, so for now, that's literally all we know. I don't really know much about hair, but that's why you should follow them all on their Twitter and their socials to get more knowledge about this. I'll be dropping updates to this particular airdrop, so stick around, follow me on my Twitter, and subscribe to this channel so that immediately I put an update either on this airdrop or any other one, you'll be the first to know. Click on the notification bell, like this video so that other people that need this kind of content will get it, and you can also share to whoever you think may need it too. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next one, and I know it will be soon. See ya.